Right, so you want to be clever, do you? Not just pub quiz clever, but real clever, like solve problems before they ruin your week clever? Well, you're in the right place, because this isn't just another maths lesson or a computer tutorial or some lifeless spreadsheet of doom. No, this is a full-blown adventure in computational thinking, and yes, it's absolutely as nerdy as it sounds, but it might just make you unstoppable. Computational thinking is the ability to look at a messy, chaotic, real-world problem, like planning your day or organizing a fridge or trying to remember 14 different passwords, and break it down into logical steps that even a computer could follow. It's not just coding, it's breaking down big problems into smaller ones, like breaking your tasks into excuses. Finding patterns, especially in things that seem like random chaos, like your social life. Designing algorithms, basically recipes for machines that don't come with instructions. Being precise, structured, and just slightly obsessive. Think Lego building, but with logic. Because it's the future. Whether you're going to be a doctor, a writer, a chef, or a goat yoga instructor, understanding how to solve problems like a coder makes you sharper, faster, and more useful in just about every profession that involves thinking. It makes you more organized, more creative, yes, really, better at learning, and better at failing than fixing your mistakes without crying as much. Every exercise you do, from summing digits to climbing stairs or figuring out weird numerical sequences, isn't just about maths. It's training your brain to simplify, structure, and solve. And when you do that enough times, suddenly hard problems become puzzles. Annoying bugs become little quests. You start to patterns and connections that most people miss. It's like putting on X-ray specs, but instead of bones, you see. One of the coolest things about this journey, you learn to do more with less. Not just in code, but in life. You learn how to write better, shorter, cleaner instructions. Get results without overcomplicating everything. Be efficient without losing your mind or your weekends. Computational thinking is about elegance, not excess. It's Marie Kondo, but for brain power. Here's the thing, you will mess up, often and spectacularly. That's good, it means you're experimenting. Real programmers and real thinkers fail constantly. The difference is, they learn from it. You try something, it breaks, you fix it. Then one day something works first to try and you nearly cry from joy. That's the magic of it. This stuff touches everything: science and medicine, data, modeling, predictions, art and design, generative art, animation, gaming, business and finance, forecasting, analysis, decision automation, journalism, law, education. Anywhere there's information, computational thinking makes it clearer, faster, smarter. How do you grow? You keep experimenting. Change a rule in a problem and see what happens. Explain your thought process to a rubber duck, a friend, or your houseplant. Make mistakes, make weirder ones, celebrate them. Each concept you've tackled, adding digits, building series, walking grid paths, is a little piece of a bigger toolkit. They don't live in isolation. They build on each other like a tower made of logic bricks. This isn't about being perfect, or fast, or memorizing things. It's about thinking better. And just like the gym, the first few workouts are going to hurt. You'll think, why did I sign up for this? But then one day, you'll solve something and feel like you just cracked a secret code because you did. You're not learning coding, you're learning to think clearly in a world built on chaos, to spot the patterns hidden in noise, to untangle problems so others don't have to. You're becoming someone who doesn't panic at complexity, who sees a messy spreadsheet, a broken script, or a weird maths puzzle and goes, yeah, all right, let's have a go. That's what this is really about. So go on, build something ridiculous, break something beautiful, debug until dawn. Whatever it is, just don't stop exploring. Because this isn't just about loops and logic. It's about learning to love the way your brain works when it's challenged. Your adventure has only just begun.